We all know that safety comes first, but that doesn't mean you want to look like your parents dressed you up before sending you on a bike ride. We're here to kill two birds with one really, really cool stone. Here at the Biker's Den, you'll find the world's smallest and lightest DOT certified beanie helmets, meaning you'll no longer look like that mushroom from Super Mario. So if you're ready to feel light as a feather without being heavy headed, visit bikersden.com today and ride away in style tomorrow.